Protein shakes can be good for health when used appropriately, but their benefits depend on your individual needs, diet, and overall lifestyle. Here are some pros and cons to consider. Benefits. 1. Convenient source of protein. Protein shakes provide a quick and easy way to meet your daily protein needs, especially if you're on the go or have increased requirements due to physical activity. 2. Muscle recovery and growth. After exercise, especially resistance training, consuming protein can help with muscle repair and growth. Protein shakes are often used by athletes or those doing strength training for this purpose. 3. Weight management. Some people use protein shakes as a meal replacement to aid in weight loss or management, as they can help you feel fuller for longer. Potential drawbacks. 1. Overconsumption. If you consume more protein than your body needs, especially from supplements, it can lead to unnecessary calories, kidney strain in some cases, or digestive issues. 2. Additives and quality. Some protein shakes contain added sugars, artificial flavors, or unhealthy fats, so it's important to choose high-quality products with minimal additives. 3. Nutrient imbalance. Relying too heavily on shakes can mean you're missing out on the other nutrients found in whole foods, such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For most people, it's better to prioritize whole food sources of protein like eggs, beans, nuts, fish, and meat and use shakes as a supplement to an already balanced diet.